The man who took everything. In a quiet town surrounded by golden hills, there lived a man named Adrian Cole. People knew him for one thing: he always took more than he gave. Adrian wasn't poor. In fact, he had more than most. A large house, a polished car, and a job that paid him well. But no matter how much he had, it was never enough. If there was a free sample, il took three. If there was a shared meal, he ate the biggest portion. If someone needed help, he always had an excuse. Why should I? He would say. Everyone should take care of themselves. At first, people tolerated him. Then they avoided him. Invitations stopped. Conversations became short. Smiles disappeared. But Adrian didn't care. Or at least, that's what he told himself. One day, something strange happened. Adrian woke up and noticed something missing. His favorite watch gone. He searched everywhere. Under the bed, in drawers, even in the fridge just in case. Nothing. Someone must have stolen it, he muttered angrily. That same day, his expensive sunglasses disappeared. The next day, his wallet. Each day, something vanished. Adrian became paranoid. People are jealous, he said. They're trying to take what's mine. But deep down, a small voice whispered, "Is this how others felt around you?" He ignored it. A week later, Adrian noticed something even stranger. It wasn't objects anymore. It was moments. At work, he told a joke but no one laughed. It was as if no one heard him. At a cafe, he tried to order coffee. The barista looked right through him. "Excuse me," Adrian said louder. Nothing. Panic started to grow. "Hey, I'm talking to you," he shouted. Still nothing. Days passed, and Adrian felt like he was disappearing. People didn't notice him. Friends didn't call. Even his reflection in the mirror seemed faded. He rushed outside one evening, desperate. "Can anyone hear me?" he cried. An old woman sitting on a bench looked up. "Finally." "Yes," she said calmly. "I can hear you." Adrian ran to her. "Please, something is happening to me. People can't see me. My things are gone. What's going on?" The woman studied him carefully. "You have spent your whole life taking," she said. "Now, life is taking from you." "That doesn't make sense," Adrian replied. "I worked for what I have. Did you ever give?" she asked softly. Adrian opened his mouth, but no words came out. The woman continued, "Every time you chose yourself over others, something small disappeared from you. A connection, a moment, a piece of your presence." Adrian felt a chill, and now, he asked. "Now, there is almost nothing left," she said. "If you want to exist again, you must give." "Give what?" Adrian asked desperately. "Anything, everything, without expecting anything in return." The next morning, Adrian decided to try. At first, it felt strange. He helped an elderly neighbor carry groceries. She smiled, and for a brief second, Adrian felt seen. Later, He gave his lunch to a homeless man. "Thank you," the man said warmly. Night, Adrian noticed something surprising. His reflection in the mirror looked clearer. Day by day, Adrian changed. He listened more. Chaque jour he helped out bingers. At work, he supported his colleagues instead of competing with them. Slowly, they began to notice him again. One afternoon, someone laughed at his joke. It was a small thing, but it meant everything. Weeks passed, and Adrian felt alive again. But something had changed inside him. He no longer wanted to take. He wanted to give, not because he had to, but because it felt right. One evening, he returned to the park to find the old woman. She was sitting on the same bench. "You did well," Adrien nodded. "When I was selfish, I thought I was gaining, but I was actually losing everything that mattered." The woman stood up, and now, she asked. Adrian looked around the people, the light, the life around him. "Now I see," he said. "The more I give, the more I exist." The woman smiled, and then slowly disappeared. Adrian never saw her again, but he didn't need to. Because from that day on, he lived differently. And for the first time in his life, he was no longer invisible. If you watched until the end of the video and enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell to stay updated, and give a like. Share your thoughts in the comments, it really helps us a lot.